name's Lucy and I'm at Misty Mountain Health Retreat. My mum actually decided that my sister and I should come here, and I think she was right, because I was living on coffee and just surviving with 3 young children, and I spent the week here. 2 days of detox of juice and vitamins was quite tough, but I can see the benefits already after just, I think, 6 days now. And each day we have a walk and do lots of lovely things that make you feel good, and swim in the creek. And I'm going to go home with a big list of things to change in my life.